As Singaporeans increasingly adopt an active lifestyle, joint pain becomes a growing problem in our aging society. Fortunately, a local company has developed a breakthrough technology that has quietly helped many Singaporeans suffering from joint pains. This revolutionary technology, pioneered by homegrown Lynk Biotech, now makes it possible to deliver some drugs directly through the skin, bypassing the digestive tract.
I do not know how it works by applying it on the skin.
So when we came out with this product, transdermal glucosamine cream, nobody believed in it. The reason for that is most of these drugs are delivered orally, and there was no such thing as delivery through the skin.
With the assurance of Singapore's reputation of producing quality products and a little bit of public education, the transdermal glucosamine cream has since gained the trust of tens of thousands of local consumers, encouraging Lynk Biotech to launch a range of healthcare and lifestyle creams.
I feel proud as a Singaporean. That's the product from Singapore.
Find out in this episode of Made in Singapore how an innovative idea that originated in a research lab sparked a revolution in our biotech industry. Meet Professor Lee Chi-wee, a former researcher at the National University of Singapore. Now the director at the School of Applied Science in Temasek Polytechnic, Professor Lee is also the founder of NUS spin-off company Lynk Biotech. Established in 2000, the company is one of Singapore's pioneer life science startups, following the overwhelming success of its flagship product, transdermal glucosamine cream. Lynk Biotech has since formulated a wide range of pharmaceutical creams using its proprietary transdermal technology. Professor Lee is dedicated to research, where his specialization is in the field of membrane physiology. This researcher of 20 years' main passion is to translate research findings into practical health benefits for society.
So when we do research, we do not just do it for the data or for the numbers. We must have something very tangible to allow us to translate the data into something we can feel and see, something useful for the consumer.
So how has Professor Lee translated theoretical research into a useful outcome for the consumer? Most drugs today are administered either orally or topically through the skin. The skin is a natural water barrier, and drugs that are dissolved in water cannot penetrate the skin.
Most drugs out there are meant for oral delivery. This means that they are water-soluble. But water-soluble drugs cannot cross the skin because skin is fat.
Since 95% of common drugs are water-soluble, the traditional solution is to deliver them orally. In fact, pills have become so widespread that it is the common belief now that drugs can only be absorbed into the bloodstream in this manner.
I have no glucosamine for consuming for joints, but for using for applying, I've not come across, so I'm a bit shocked.
It's difficult because they don't see how could this thing possibly able to reach the site by rubbing on the skin.
In reality, it is often more advantageous to apply the drug directly to the affected area.
If certain drug can bypass the oral route and deliver through the skin to the joint or to the muscle, then do it that way. Spare the liver if possible. So in other words, we will have the effect without the side effect.
In 2000, Professor Lee and his team set out on the holy grail of achieving transdermal delivery of water-based drugs into the bloodstream. To overcome the water barrier of the skin, the team invented a method to embed the water-soluble molecules into an outer ring of fat molecules. This research resulted in the discovery of a new transdermal delivery platform that could work for drugs of small to medium molecular size. In 2002, the team tested the proof of concept by using the technology to formulate a transdermal glucosamine cream. The trials for this cream were successful and the cream was commercialized in 2003. This eventually became Lynk Biotech's flagship product, TGC. Initially, when transdermal products were introduced to the market, the public was skeptical. Through a series of campaigns and advertisements, Lynk Biotech was able to change the public mindset to accept that cream-based glucosamine can be effective for joint pain.
I used to have terrible pains in my knees, maybe sometimes even in my ankles. I got to know about it when I was in school, when the professor who invented this technology appeared on the news, and I thought that was a brilliant way of delivering glucosamine. It just made sense.
Previously, I was taking oral supplement, but I have switched to this product because it is absorbed through the skin, and it is, I believe, more effective and convenient to use.
Today, cream-based glucosamine is widely accepted in Singapore, and TGC has, through the years, received many awards for being the best-selling product from local pharmacies. Lynk Biotech takes quality assurance very seriously and goes through great lengths to ensure that its products are safe, stable, and consistent. The company has taken great pains to obtain GMP accreditation from Health Sciences Authority of Singapore.
Our product is not required to be GMP certified, but we insist to get it certified because it is a brand from Singapore. Our Singapore Lion Heads emblem is there on every single product, on every tube. So we want to make sure the quality is there.
Production manager Ken Lee was instrumental in obtaining GMP certification on its very first attempt in 2007. It was a very challenging period for them, working into the nights almost every day for 3 months in a row.
It was very tough. We had about 200 over standard operating procedures and validations protocols to establish before the audit. We had just cleared another round of audit. This is the first audit after shifting our previous production line from Tuas to Geylang, and everything went smoothly.
Even with another round of GMP audit clear, there is no room for complacency in the production plant, as the pressure is always on to pass the fabled mother's test.
While we were developing it, we always have our mothers in mind. When our mothers get old, they always have joint problems, so this product is suited for them. When we first formulated the product, the first users to try it out is our mothers. We have to make sure it is safe for our mothers' use.
The success of Lynk Biotech's flagship product TGC has spurred the company to search for other innovative ways that enhance the health and wellness of Singaporeans. In an exciting recent product development, the company has formulated the world's only energy cream. This cream is designed to enable athletes to exceed their performance limits, as well as help with muscle recovery after a strenuous workout.
We're using transdermal to deliver the energy to the muscle to allow muscles to perform at the speed and capacity never seen before. Because when you exercise for too long, your muscle get weak, get tired, okay, because of the lactic acid builds up. So when the muscle starts taking glucose from the blood for its own energy supply, the brain will shut down the whole body. So now having this new form of energy into the muscle from this cream and not competing from the blood glucose, because the blood glucose is reserved for the brain. That's why athletes prefer muscle has its own source of energy.
Amanda Lim, the freestyle specialist on our national swimming squad and multiple SEA Games gold medalist, has benefited from using transdermal products.
They actually work for me, and it makes me feel confident about myself, and I'm not afraid to go the extra mile in training. It's good that local brands in Singapore, they are trying to push themselves into the international level, and it's good to showcase to other people that actually we are not that small.
With a successful crossover from healthcare to sports-related products, Lynk Biotech is now targeting the cosmetics market and developing products that offer innovative solutions to health and wellness issues. Its tummy-reducing product, aptly named Tummy Tuck, for example, focuses on releasing the fat stored to achieve reduction of the tummy size. The team is now on the brink of testing a new cream to tackle saggy eye bags.
Our new project development is for dark circles and eye bags. So right now we are already developed the formula. Now it's in the stage for stability and also a trial for our volunteers. This is actually the last step of the research and development. Once we get a nice cream, we ask volunteers to try our cream to make sure that it's effective.
Smooth, we are absorbed very well, so stability not an issue.
Besides being recognized as the leading local biotech company, Lynk Biotech has also made a mark in the international biopharmaceutical arena. Multinational pharmaceutical companies have contracted Lynk Biotech to manufacture Lynk's proprietary products under their branding.
Having taken the local market by storm, this homegrown company is now poised to conquer the world.